Bitcoin.
Well, Bitcoin in my hedge fund. I own Bitcoin in my fund, in my private account.
$10,000 per Bitcoin in 3 years.
Currency of the future. Well, I think it is working. There will be other currencies like it that may be even better.
Welcome, family, and thank you for tuning in to Crypto King for your crypto info updates. I'm Carlos, and on today's program, we'll be discussing a blockchain technology with a platform for building decentralized insurance products. Now, this insurance application platform will work to make the sale of insurance more efficient, enable lower operational costs, and provide greater transparency into the industry and democratize access to reinsurance investments. So stay tuned and I'll let you know about the project and the company that we'll be looking to do a deep dive on to see if this is worthy of adding to your portfolio. Stay tuned.
Crypto King is not a financial advisor. Would you like to get started investing in crypto? If so, the best place to get started is Coinbase. If you'd like to help out the channel and get free Bitcoin, please check out the link in the description box below.
Today's insurance industry suffers from lack of transparency and misaligned incentives. Insurance companies will try to minimize payouts and maximize profits. Sound familiar? So, is there a way of winning back trust? Well, yes, and this is precisely where Etherisk comes in. Etherisk is the first platform for decentralized insurance worldwide and is committed to bringing back mutuality into the insurance business.
Family, the project or the company that we'll be discussing today is Etherisk. Now, Etherisk is an insurance blockchain platform that will attempt or look to achieve to make insurance more fair and accessible. And this decentralized protocol is collectively right now building insurance products. Let's take a deep dive and see exactly what this product has to offer to you and why you should think about adding it to your portfolio.
We are developing the so-called Decentralized Insurance Protocol, which is secure and accessible to anyone. We provide the groundbreaking opportunity to create and offer insurance products for everybody.
After looking deeper into the project and seeing what it's all about and the issues that it intends to solve, well, I saw some of the challenges that they may be able to run into and that Etherisk is looking to seek to solve. So some of these challenges would include insurance being a highly asymmetric product, and large players, they dominate the market and they tend to reap all the benefits from the network effects. You know, the customers are usually in a weak position and they don't understand policies. They often feel mistreated unfairly and even ripped off. So insurance companies, they have a strong incentive not to pay out claims. The tight regulation that is needed to protect customers and the imbalance is in place through Etherisk. This creates an expensive overhead and the barriers to entry for regular players into the insurance industry. The insurance company, they also try to hide their inefficiencies, and these are some of the challenges that Etherisk looks to solve with this blockchain technology. Oracles with authoritative data for parametric insurance will also be another solution, as well as a decentralized oracle to incentivize claim assessors. And lastly, insurance licenses and regulatory frameworks, which is compliant with FINMA and U.S. Securities Exchange Commission. So if Etherisk is able to achieve its goals successfully, then some of the benefits that you will receive is a fully licensed and fully regulated platform to build a decentral insurance product on top of Etherisk platform, which is scalable and accessible for all insurance ideas all over the world. It will make purchases and the sale of insurance more efficient. It will increase transparency and fairness in insurance, and it will also enable lower operational costs.
How does it work? By utilizing blockchain technology, Etherisk opens the door to a whole range of safe, transparent, and fair insurance applications. With the help of blockchain, we make sure that the claims process is highly automated and visible to anyone. By cutting out unnecessary intermediaries, we can reach substantially higher payouts. Because less cost means more payout. That's how insurance should be. We are directly tapping into one of the biggest global markets.
So right here, family, we'll take a look at some of the platform layers that is a part of the Ethereum ecosystem here. So first, we'll take a look at the Decentralized Insurance Platform, or DIP. This is an ecosystem that is supported by the DIP Foundation, and it contains the product builders, the risk pool keepers, resellers, oracle providers, claims adjusters, relayers, and underwriters. The second component to the platform layer is going to be the generic insurance framework. Now this here includes core smart contracts, core microservices, application or product specific smart contracts, and also application or product specific microservices. And the third component to this platform layer will be the Decentralized Insurance Protocol, or the DIP protocol. And this here will include the rules and standards of how to interact with the interfaces, the definitions of the ERC 721, the ERC 165, and ERC 20 standards. Now, taking a look right here at some of the market stats, you can see at the time of this recording that the DIP token was priced at about around 31 cents. It has an overall market cap of $56 million, which makes it a relatively small market cap for this particular type of service or coin. And that's why it's ended up on my radar, because of that market cap. Looking down at the market rank, I just checked it moments ago, and it is actually ranked at number 311. So it's still a small market just outside of the top 300. However, there's a good use case for this platform. So with Ethereum building the platform to allow blockchain technology developers to make insurance products, this here project looks like it could be something of value later on down in the future, especially if they have a good working product. So we'll take a look at that here in a moment. Now, family, with any crypto project, one of the things that you should look for is if they have a working product that they have already put out into society. That will be a leg up on all of the other crypto projects, because it's something that's actually being used or put into use right now. So I went and did some deep dive searching here, and look what I found, that they have a working product in circulation. I'll go in depth a little bit about some of those working products right here. So we see right now that one of the more known working products that they have are the next two that I'll describe to you, which is the flight delay insurance and the hurricane protection. These two products are actually being used today, where you can purchase, and see exactly how this product will work and if it will be a benefit to you adding it to your portfolio. But the flight delay insurance is the first decentralized insurance. Payouts are automatic and now are fully licensed. The next working product that they have is the hurricane protection. And this is designed for low-income individuals and small business owners. Instant payouts are triggered by wind speed registered by weather stations within 30-mile radius from the insured's permanent location. So all of you crypto fanatics that lives in the state of Florida and along the East Coast where those hurricanes like to ride, if you're into crypto, I think you should definitely take into consideration looking at this and doing some research. So if you can add it to your portfolio, it may just provide you just an added bit of protection during hurricane season. Now, this next insurance coverage is where I really got interested. Now, the crypto wallet insurance, it says here that they're going to attempt to provide protection against the risk of theft and attackers of hackers on wallet smart contracts. And they target to cover up to $1 million of this. Now, with so many things going on as far as theft, and you have cyber criminals that's looking to attempt to rob people's wallets and earnings, this coverage for your crypto wallet just may be very, very beneficial and may be the true gem of this project. I also became even more interested when I read collateral protection for crypto-backed loans. This policy is designed to pay up to 100% of the insured loan amount if the value of the collateral provided by the borrower drops by more than 90%. So if you have a more than 90% loss of your crypto value, then the collateral protection for crypto-backed loans might be a service that you can look to Well, I don't see a whole lot of 90% losses unless you have a bag of shit coins, that may cause this to happen. I don't necessarily know if an insurer would insure Dogecoin. Also, they have a couple of other projects here with the crop insurance, where you can select your crop and your location of your field, and automated payouts are triggered by drought or flood events that are reported by government agencies. That seems like a little cool thing, so that way that you don't have to go through providing the paperwork and necessary things to these third-party entities to be able to get an insurance payout, whereas with Etherisk and this platform, it will automatically be triggered, especially if a government agency deems it a national emergency. And the last type of insurance that we see is the social insurance. And this is And the last type of insurance that we see here is the social insurance. And this is an affordable, accessible protection against the risk of death or heavy illness of a community member, and immediate emergency payouts, which will help get through the critical times. I don't know much about this social insurance and how that will actually work, but because it's an option, it's something worth consideration.
Can I try this right now? Well, of course you can. Etherisk has launched the Flight Delay DApp, which has been successfully employed around the globe and already won more than 100 paying customers. It is also used as a prime example for the power of smart contracts by blockchain educators worldwide.
Right here, we'll take a look at some of the revenue for the investors and the protocol users here. And we see, if we look down here at the bottom, because I won't go through the entire frame here, you do that on your own while you do your own research. If you are a product designer, then you organize the new product and development, and by doing that, you earn a percentage of the premium and underwriting profit. If you're a person that are into oracles, then you can earn a percentage for every oracle call or API call and or process claim. Now, if you happen to be a licensed provider, your percentage of the premium will be for renting the licenses and filing compliance reports. If you are a distributor registry, then your percentage of the premium will come from a fixed fee for distributing to the consumers. And lastly, you have the sovereign investor. This person will earn interest for your staked assets within the ecosystem. So you heard me mention the DIP token earlier. So what exactly is the DIP token? Well, the DIP tokens, they act as a native internal currency that will be inseparable from the protocol and the network of its users. The DIP tokens are needed to earn transaction fees and reward platform users to bring risk to the network, build and maintain risk transfer of the products. The total supply of the Etherisk token is at 1 billion. Why does Etherisk need its own token? And what exactly is the utility of this token? DIP tokens give users access to the decentralized insurance platform. By staking the DIP token, participants provide collateral to guarantee future performance, availability, and service levels. Staking also signals quality and reputation. As a result, participants can earn money monetizing their skills, software, risk capital, insurance licenses, claim processing, and or regulatory compliance and reporting service skills. After doing more research, family, and if you take a look over here, I looked at some of the partners. Well, there was one that stood out to me, and that's Chainlink. Chainlink is an oracle provider. Basically, if you don't know what an oracle is, an oracle is taking the real world data that is not on the blockchain, and then it sends it through Chainlink. Chainlink uses its algorithms and all of this computer talk to actually convert that real world data to the blockchain so that the blockchain can receive that data and do all of the fun stuff that it does within that ecosystem. So that's what an oracle is. And Chainlink, by being the largest oracle in the crypto ecosystem, that actually brought attention to me to say that if Etherisk is partnered with the largest Oracle provider, then they must be doing something right. So you definitely should consider this product and put it on your radar as a project to watch. Family, also doing more research here, I found that this project has received awards in 2016 and 2017, one being a blockchain Oscar and also the best blockchain startup of 2016. So people around the world, or the people that are involved in the crypto community, actually sees value behind this project. And you can also see that through some of the quotes in some of the largest publications that they actually may believe in this product. Well, I'm not too far behind them, and we all know the value of insurance on some of these products. And if you saw the crypto wallet insurance of up to $1 million in coverage, that really has me thinking and considering adding this DIP token to my portfolio so that way I can access the network. I may even attempt or try to fly delay insurance because I am a frequent flyer, and you know, those flight delays are not anything good to handle. But it's also good to know that there's a blockchain technology that's in place that will allow me to be able to insure, you know, against any type of flight delay that I may have. Also, I am a resident of Florida, so that a hurricane insurance definitely looks valuable as well.
By investing in the tokens, you provide the base for an emerging decentralized insurance market. Be part of the future of insurance. Visit us at etherisk.com. Etherisk, we are reinventing insurance.
Well, family, that's about all the information that I have for you on Etherisk today. Hopefully you were able to find some value in the information that you did receive. If you have found some value in the information that you received, please take a moment to do your own research. There's nothing more valuable than you understanding the products that you are interested in investing in. And when you see a large return on your investment, it also feels good to know that you made a solid decision on that investment decision. So if you have not taken the opportunity to subscribe to my channel already, please take a moment and do so. Also, if you enjoyed the information, smash that like button for me. If you have a question about anything, or just would like to leave a comment, go ahead and do that down in the comment section. You will also be able to find my contact information towards the end of the video, so stay tuned all the way through to the end for that. Well, family, thank you again for tuning in to Crypto King for your crypto info updates. Remember, excuses are tools of incompetence used to build monuments of nothing. Those who specialize in them seldom amount to anything. There are no excuses. Never look down on someone. And if you have to look down on someone, look down on them to lift them up. We should always be lifting as we climb. Hold fast, be strong, don't quit. Let all your things be done in charity. I love you, Yeshua loves you, and there's absolutely nothing that you can do about it. Have a wonderful day.